Who would you like to teach you? This is very likely going to be a very natural question to ask any learner anywhere in the world very soon. AI used in the right creative and safe way has tremendous potential to support you as a teacher and your school in the ways that you would like to create inspiring and supporting learning environments where every student receives personalized help when they want it, when they need it. Both from us as educators, human educators, but also with the help from technology, because we can. It's often said that human jobs will not be replaced by AI. They will, however, be replaced by humans using AI. So back to my question, who would you like to teach you? How about learning about the relativity theory directly from Albert Einstein? Let's have a look at what that might look like.
Good morning, young scholars. I'm Albert Einstein, and today we're going to embark on a journey through the universe as we explore my most famous work, the theory of relativity. You see, the theory of relativity is all about how we perceive space and time. Let's start with a simple thought experiment. Imagine you're on a train, looking out the window at a tree as you pass by. To you, it seems like the tree is moving backward while you're stationary. But to someone standing by the tracks, you're the one moving, while the tree is stationary. This is the essence of relativity, the idea that motion can only be measured relative to something else. Now, you might be thinking, that's all well and good, Albert, but what does this have to do with space and time? Well, here.
Yes, we need to wait and find out. Isn't that right? So, back to my question, who would like to teach you? This is a playful, I admit that, but absolutely relevant topic for you to consider. How do you connect your students to learning subjects in new engaging ways when you decide to enable this through technology? But there are many, many other questions that we all need to find new answers to for the coming years. What's our role going to be as human educators? Or rather, what would you love your role to be? New, inspiring, and very interesting professional pathways for educators all over the world really are about to get created now. You have raised your hand and decided to join this introduction mission to explore what is now possible that wasn't possible before. So I'm here to welcome you on our mission that consists of 3 online workshops, each of them of a 2-hour duration. But before we get to the new pathways for our profession and what your future might look like, and also how your school or institution can reinvent itself, we have some important discoveries that we want to make together. So we are starting out with a workshop online where we explore AI in education. We look at how AI is being used in education already today and what skills educators need to apply AI in our work. Not limited to teaching, but that is included as well, of course. And for example, also, how do we create a curriculum that prepares students for the age of AI? We're going to discuss, of course, also the ethical and moral implications of AI in education. In our second workshop of the 3, we're going to focus on the disruption of the job market and how it affects our role as teachers, as educators. We'll discuss how automation and AI are changing the job markets out there and what new job categories are emerging and how educators can prepare students for these new job categories as well. We'll also explore the importance of lifelong learning and how educators can continue to develop their skills in a rapidly changing job market. In the third and last introduction workshop, we explore some of the new job categories for educators that are emerging in the age of AI and automation. We'll explore the skills that we need for these new roles and how we as educators can prepare ourselves for these roles. We'll discuss the importance of collaboration, of networking, and how to actually find or create these new job opportunities. And you will get started creating a job category that may not even exist yet. These 3 workshops are just an introduction to all the many new realities in education that are already here. We'll have plenty of opportunity after these workshops to continue working together on these topics and much, much more to transform your school to be best in class when it comes to human development in the age of AI. I look very much forward to begin this exploration with you, and I will leave you now with Bill Gates and Socrates, who are having a discussion about what is AI and what may the implications be on our society of actually applying AI. This is all generated by AI, so I hope you'll enjoy this little video, and I look very much forward to see you live in our upcoming workshops.
Ah, my dear friend Bill, I see you have brought a device with you today. What purpose does it serve?
Greetings, Socrates. This is a laptop, a marvel of modern technology. It harbors an artificial intelligence that can revolutionize heuristic education.
Interesting.
Imagine a world where students learn at their own pace, guided by a tireless tutor that never errs.
Is this the MacBook you often refer to?
No. This is a Surface. You just need to remember that. Surface.
Fascinating. But tell me, what is the essence of this artificial intelligence you speak of?
It is a machine that can learn and reason, built
Wow.
upon vast amounts of data and complex algorithms. It imitates human thought processes to provide tailored learning experiences.
I sense a shadow over this marvel, a hidden danger lurking within. Dear Bill, as you know, I am a proponent of self-examination and seeking wisdom.
That's true.
Tell me, what might we gain from this new form of intelligence you have created?
Oh, you don't know how much Microsoft has been in the limelight recently. If those big companies don't come out and talk about AI, I don't know how much the stock prices will fall. To be serious, Socrates, artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize heuristic education. We can utilize AI to personalize learning, allowing each individual to explore and discover knowledge
Really?
in a manner tailored to their own interests and abilities.
As the great philosopher Plato once said, the measure of a man is what he does with power.
I agree.
But Gatesius, do we not risk becoming over-reliant on this AI, losing our own ability to think critically and independently? Does not the essence of heuristic learning lie in the struggle to find solutions, much like how a moth must break free from its cocoon to strengthen its wings? Will AI not rob students of this essential struggle?
Any technology will have potential risks and limitations. You know, in my time, there was a guy who sold phones, but he rarely let his own children use them, which shows that everything has two sides.
Sure.
But AI can be designed to strike a balance. It need not provide immediate answers, but rather act as a mentor, gently nudging students in the right direction while allowing them to discover solutions on their own. At the same time, AI handles the mundane tasks, giving teachers more time to engage with students on a deeper level.
But is it not through wrestling with these mundane tasks that the soul is strengthened and wisdom